to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to talk a little bit about process, about making your art a little easier. Some things that you can do for yourself to kind of let yourself out of mental jail where your art is concerned. Because art's hard. It's kind of psychological as much as it is skill. And sometimes some things that we can do can kind of get in our way. I wanted to throw a couple things at you that you might be doing, maybe hadn't thought about it, but good things to shed as you go along your art journey. And one is to be you, paint like you. Do what you like, follow your heart. And the things that interest you for a reason, and that makes you individual and special and unique. It's actually counterproductive to fill your mind and your heart and your intention with things that don't genuinely fuel you and make you feel good. So when you have an interest level and you see something that grabs your attention and excites you, follow that. Follow it with all your gusto, because you will find that the absolute most amazing results come from that. And also paint like you all the time. Whatever that is. It's one thing to go learn from someone and meet them and be fascinated by the way that they do things. Picking up on new techniques and new ways to solve a problem is great. Learning new techniques from other people is a wonderful thing to do for yourself. Adopting their style, not good. I've never once ever seen it work. It always falls flat because it's not uniquely you. You have a specific thing that you need to say. You have something unique to bring to the world, and you need to say it in your vocabulary that's meaningful to you. And then the last thing is that learn new things, try new stuff, try a new media, go crazy and buy some different stuff that you've never tried before. Always stretch those muscles. Do things that seem a little obscure or weird. You never know how that may integrate with something that's been rolling around behind your head, but you really didn't have a vocabulary to express it before. Try new techniques, try new material, go places, do things, sketch the stuff, go everywhere, and enjoy yourself, because it's all part of a larger process, and it will become much, much easier if you just give yourself permission to do it the way that you do it, and enjoy.